Hey, Mr. Clinton, how's it going? What do you think of that architectural design firm that said that they would refund me and then never did? What do you think of the commercial claims court clerk that does not pick up the phone so that I can reschedule my court hearing? Yeah, I would sniff them too, wouldn't you? I know. I know. They took $3,000 and they did such a crappy job. And they said they'd refund us and they never did, Mr. Clinton. That's screwed up. I know. I know. What do you think of Eli having his chihuahua on stream? Attack. Doesn't matter how neatly we try to put together your food. You will always manage to get it all over the floor. Won't you, Clinton?